Well, as the race to vaccinate more and more Americans continues every day, we are asking the experts tonight about how likely a booster shot will be needed for COVID-19. With variants out there posing a challenge and vaccine longevity changing every day, Channel 2's Liz Lewin has the latest information about the likelihood of a booster.
So we don't want to be caught in a position like we were at the beginning of this pandemic where we had nothing.
The CDC reports more than 56 million people in the U.S. have now been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. But it may not be the end of the road if you're one of those people, at least as far as vaccinations are concerned. During a CBS Live panel discussion today, Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said there's a likelihood people will in fact need a third COVID-19 vaccine within 12 months. That depends on the way things continue to go.
A likely scenario is that there will be likely a need for a third dose somewhere between 6 and 12 months. And then from there will be an annual revaccination. But all of that needs to be confirmed.
Moderna CEO Stefan Bancel says the company is also hoping to have a booster shot available as early as this fall. But why? After receiving 2 doses of the vaccine, why the potential need for a third shot?
The duration of immunity was unknown. Until yesterday, there were data only about the first 90 days.
Bourla says now Pfizer is the only vaccine that has data extending 6 months. As for variants, infectious disease expert Dr. Thomas Russo says, though nothing is certain mutations could also be reason enough for needing a booster.
If a variant develops that could circumvent the protection afforded by the present generation of vaccines.
It is extremely important to suppress the pool of people that can be susceptible to the virus because they are vaccinated with high efficacy vaccine.
What about frequency? If there is a booster, how often will you need it?
And there are vaccines like flu that you need every year. The COVID virus looks more like the influenza virus than the polio virus.
So when could we see this third dose hit the marketplace? Well, not quite yet.
We're still sorting out how long these first rounds of vaccines are going to last. Stay tuned. The timing need for this remains unclear at this point.
Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.